Yes, great morning all of you. Today we are here to perform 12th class practical, that is titration. This is the titration between KMnO4 solution and 0.1 mole of oxalic acid. You have to find out the molarity of KMnO4. The solution for which we have to find out the molarity, we will fill it into the burette, right? For this, we need firstly a burette in which this KMnO4 will be filled, right? Because we have to find out the molarity of this solution, right? Then we will need a pipette. We have to take accurate 10 ml of oxalic acid. That's why we are using the pipette, right? We need a flask. We need distilled water. Why we need distilled water? Because firstly we have to rinse all the apparatus with the distilled water to avoid any contamination in the apparatus, right? If there is any contamination in the apparatus, then there will be error in our readings, right? So firstly, I am going to fill this burette with the KMnO4 solution. Stop. As you can see, in this burette, I have filled this KMnO4 solution. But you have to fill this burette up to 0 mark. This is 0. If there is an extra solution, you have to rinse it out. Second thing, there should be no bubble in this part, right? So I am going to rinse the extra solution of KMnO4 from this burette. Right? Now, I am going to take oxalic acid in this flask. I am using this pipette. You have to pipette out the solution very carefully. As you can see, bring it close. There is a mark in this pipette. You have to fill this pipette up to this mark. Is there any extra solution? Then you have to remove it by releasing the pressure very lightly. Yes. Now this is accurate 10 ml oxalic acid. But you have to release this pressure very carefully to fill this pipette up to this mark. Now I am getting to pour this solution in the flask. In this flask, what I have? Oxalic acid, 0.1 mole oxalic acid. In this titration, you have to add dilute sulfuric acid to the solution. Why we are adding dilute sulfuric acid? Because this reaction between KMnO4 and oxalic acid is very slow reaction. We are adding the acid so that reaction will become fast. I am adding somewhat H2SO4 to it. Mix it well. Now what you have to do, you have to heat this solution up to 60 degrees. Solution is heated now. Now we have to titrate it against KMnO4 solution. You have to release this pressure very carefully. It should be added dropwise so that the reaction must have time to complete it. This light pink color is appearing. You have to add this KMnO4 until the permanent pink color will appear.